So let's talk about how this color picking solution works. A typical configuration for color picking is a group of machines laid out in an aisle configuration with the machines on the left and machines on the right. The process starts with the operator inducting a cart into the system. Each cart contains a group of orders known as a batch. The operator selects which orders they want to process and assigns each order to a position on the pick cart. The number of orders that can be assigned to the batch will be determined by the size of the product, size of the orders, as well as the size and configuration of the pick carts. Each cart will be assigned a unique color or symbol, which will be used to indicate to the operator what machines they need to stop at to pick their orders. In this animation is showing 4 pick carts. There's a green cart, a blue cart, a purple cart, and an orange cart. In this example, the process starts with a green cart. When this cart is inducted into the system, all 8 machines light up green, indicating all 8 machines have picks for this batch. The operator will start at the first machine and pick all the items that are required for their batch of orders. The machines will include pick-to-light technology indicating to the user what to pick and where to pick it from. This provides a high level of pick accuracy for the operators. The monitor will indicate which order the item belongs to, and the operator will place the item into the corresponding order tote. This process will continue until all the order lines for this batch have been completed. When all the picks are completed for machine 1 for the green pick cart, that machine will now be available for the next pick cart and will light up blue. As the green cart moves down the aisle and completes its picks from each machine, these additional machines will be illuminated in blue, indicating to the blue cart operator what machine to move to next. As the blue cart completes its picks, machines will become available for the purple cart. And as the purple cart completes its picks, machines will become available for the orange cart. The carts flow through the system one after another with a continuous wave of batches. One important thing to note here is that operators are never stuck waiting for the cart in front of them. If they catch up to the cart in front, they can simply help that operator pick until their machine's freed up for their cart. And this results in no loss in productivity. So let's summarize some of the benefits of color picking. The system is light directed, ensuring fast and accurate picking. Replenishment batches can be processed the same as pick batches and can be interspersed into the work stream throughout the day. This is a big advantage over typical automated systems where replenishment has to be done off shift or before or after picking operations. Flexible and scalable labor. When you're not as busy, you can operate the system with one operator in one cart or batch of orders. As you get busier, you can dynamically add as many carts to the system as you need to increase system throughput. This picking strategy lends itself to social distancing as well, with each operator dedicated to a cart.